I was paid $42 last week for a job well done right on this website. So as you can see right here, I've been receiving $5 almost every day. But last week, I was too busy with some tasks. So as a result of that, some of the fund accumulated to $42 and it was sent straight to my Clever Bank account. So in a nutshell, this is a website that will be paying you simply for chatting people online. Just like I already showed you on my screen, it is real and legit. Although I understand that this can be too good to be true, but if you put in the effort, you will definitely get even a better result. And that's the exact reason why I want to put you through the step-by-step way of joining this website, setting up your account, and getting started to make money simply by doing what you have been doing for free all this while, chatting people. If you still depend on the traditional 9-to-5 jobs that we all know, then you need to wake up right now because you are missing a whole lot of things. It is a well-known fact that there are several ways to make money online, and in today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities out there that you just have to cool down your brain and be ready to grab them one after the other. And guess what? Majority of them can even be achieved with just your smartphone, which means you may not need a laptop to get started with any of them. So right in this website that I'm about to show you, you can earn as much as $3 to $5 per minute simply by chatting. And I'll be showing you everything in 3, 2, 1. So this amazing website is called rentacyberfriend.com. As you can see on the platform here, you can make real connections with people online, engage in video calls, and even get paid per minute for your time. The minimum rate you can set is $0.1, but you can as well earn up to $5 per minute. Although if you are just getting started, I will advise that the maximum you set is like $3 because you haven't had people that are following you, you still need to bring people close to you, let people get to know you, let people get to know what you are capable of doing, how engaging you are, how interactive you are, how welcoming you are. You understand? So when you sign up on this website, you will go through a process where you can select your interest and set up your pricing. Although all of these are things that I will be showing you in details. Like for instance, you could choose $3 per minute as your rate. One thing you really need to understand right now is that there are people all over the world who are actually looking for someone to talk to, someone to relate with. They are very lonely, and others may even need someone to listen to their problems or simply want to chat for companionship. Now, your role is to listen, engage in conversation, and give advice based on your opinions and experience. You can earn money just by listening and offering support. So getting started on rentacyberfriend.com is super easy. You need to sign up, create your profile, and wait for approval. Once approved, you can start accepting calls and your earnings will appear on your dashboard. So right now, I'm going to go ahead to sign up with a fresh account so you can follow up in real time. But before then, let me draw your attention to something. If you've not joined my community of adventurous money makers on WhatsApp and Telegram, you're missing a lot of free courses, giveaways, and mentorship. The link to the community is right in the description below. Ensure you check it out. All I need from you is to take an action that your future self will be glad you did. So back to business, let's get into the website. If I were you right now, I would take out my phone and visit this website, rentacyberfriend.com. So what are we doing on this website, my friend? It's actually a platform where you can actually find friends. Probably you are feeling lonely. People come to this website to find friends, find companions. There are so many people that are actually introverts. They don't enjoy making friends, or they don't know how to make friends. So they come to this website to find an online friend. And that is exactly where you come in, because you too will be on this website to be that cyber friend that they are looking for. So when you are on the website, as you can see, you can actually sign up here, or you can come down here to click get started for free. As you can see, it has loaded. You can actually sign up as a cyber friend, or you can sign up as a caller. You get it now? Caller is actually the person that wants to hire your service, while you as a cyber friend is the one rendering the service. You can earn money by chatting with callers who will pay you by the minute. That's if you are the one that wants to hire someone's service. And the sweet thing about this website is that you can earn from anywhere in the world. So what are the requirements for being a cyber friend? It's an opportunity for everyone. No degree certificate are needed. You must even have a good internet connection and a camera. That's a very, very essential requirement. And also make sure you are passionate about what you do. You need to be 18 and above, and you need to have a good smile and be friendly. You can't just upload a picture, be boning face, or probably someone hire you and all you can do is to be acting as though you are the one that need companion. And there are just two payment options, PayPal and bank bank transfer. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I've created numerous videos about PayPal, and I also offer the service. I'll be dropping the link to the most recent video about PayPal right in the description below, so you can know how to get started by owning a PayPal account. And also, if PayPal seems too hard for you, you can definitely open a Clever Banking account. I'll also be dropping the link to that right in the description below. After all, I receive my funds through Clever Banking. That is wire transfer. So the first thing you need to do is to enter your first name, enter your last name, then your email address, then your password. Ensure that your password contains uppercase, lowercase, number, and special character. Then also enter the password in the second box. Then check this first place that said, yes, I would like to sign up for the weekly newsletter, although that's optional. And then the next box, which accept their terms and conditions and their privacy and policy, their cookie policy, etc. Then click on sign up. So on this next page, a code will be sent to your email address. So all you have to do is to check your mailbox right now and enter the code right here. All right, you can check your spam, you can click on all mail, just check everywhere. Definitely you will see a code from rentacyberfriend.com. And just like that, after entering your code, you land right on your dashboard. So right here on your dashboard, you can see your earnings. It's still $0. You can see your followers, they are still 0 because you don't have followers yet. Once you start having followers, people will definitely be seeing you as someone they can always reach out to, and whenever you are online, they will definitely be alerted, and when they need your presence in their life that moment, they will definitely hire you. You can subscribe to get more visibilities on this platform so that you can see more people to hire you. So here they are saying you have not completed all the required data for being able to accept calls. So all you have to do is to click here to find out more. So once you click on that here link, they will take you to the place where you have to fix all necessary things, complete your profile. So the first thing we are having here is to upload your image, and the second thing, upload your bio, update your date of birth, choose at least one language, select at least one interest. So we'll be starting by uploading our image. I'm going to show you 2 scenarios now. So the first thing I did was to go and get an image, and I just upload it like that. And as you can see, this image is not looking so good. It's not edited, it's not bright. Although I'm not telling you to live a fake life, I'm not telling you to upload any image that doesn't make sense. But as you can see, this image is too wide, like there's too many space, and I'm just so small in the center. This kind of image doesn't make any sense. So all I had to do is to go back and edit the image with my Photoshop. So what I did, I cropped the image and I gave it some exposure touch. Then the next thing I did was to upload the image right on the platform again. So if you don't have Photoshop, you definitely have some photo retouching stuff on your phone that you can just use to brighten your image, or better still, upload your best image and ensure you are smiling. And even if you are not smiling, make sure you are making some kind of gestures that are quite friendly. So after entering your image, as you can see, my image is there, my name is there, my surname is there, but my country has not been selected. You need to select your country, Nigeria, then your city, Lagos State, Lagos City, Then under this about me, we'll get back to it very soon. But first of all, my gender, male, and my date of birth. Then the next thing, which is a very, very important thing, is to select my interest. So I selected friendship, I selected lifestyle, and as you can see, as I'm selecting them, I can definitely set my rate. You can set $1.0, $0.1, $2, $3, $5, whichever you feel you are okay with. You can select video games, just any interest, so that the person that wants to connect with you can definitely relate with what you do. So you need to select your language also. Here I select English, and I also select my native tongue, which is Yoruba language. Back to our bio, it doesn't have to be too long. Just let people know that you are good at certain things. Explain to them how friendly you are. Just a brief introduction about yourself. That's just it. So ensure you complete the entire form. To remind you, while setting up your language, you can definitely let them know the level at which you can speak that language, whether you are a native speaker, whether you are just a bit fluent, or you are just a beginner. So once you are done with this page, the next thing is to click submit. So everything has been set. Your profile is being validated. So to confirm that your profile has actually been thoroughly validated and you are good to go, you'll definitely be able to receive call. Once you click on accept calls, as you can see, they are showing that your profile is offline. But once you click on profile online, you can start accepting call now. Now that your profile is online, anyone anyone can call you anytime. Anyone will see your picture, and once they call you and your rate is there, time starts counting. So as you guys are talking, the duration you spend talking, your money will be counting. So that's just how simple it is. So you have to ensure that you are very active, engaging, so that as you and the person is talking, the person will even want to spend more time with you. And you know what that means? More time means more money. And right here is the withdrawal section. Assuming this is not a new account, you would have seen the list of the transaction history under withdrawals here. As you can see right here, we have what we call new withdrawal request. So once your account starts swelling, you can definitely request for a new withdrawal. After that, you can choose whether you want your withdrawal to go through bank transfer or PayPal, so whichever is convenient for you. Back to upgrade, in case you want to join the premium silver badge, you can definitely apply for it. This is going to help you to have more exposure, and more people will definitely want to talk to you through call. Well, I'm not in the right position to tell you when to get started, but if I were you, I'm going to get started right now. So I'll also be dropping the link to that website right in the description below, in case you cannot actually grab it when I was talking about it. So concerning the payment method, just like I said earlier, I use Clever Banking, and if you don't know how to register with Clever Banking, which will give you a US bank account, well, the video that just popped next to me will definitely show you exactly how it is done. Remember to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you can stay updated for my next blockbuster. Whatever you do, never stop making money.